Good morning! Time check, it's 9:53 in the morning and I started my meal plan subscription for the first time because I had my juice cleanse last week which ended Friday, and I want to not be tempted into eating again unhealthy stuff, so I subscribed for a meal plan for 5 days. This is the first day, and this was delivered early in the morning. My brother was surprised because when he woke up and then he found this on the, like, in our perimeter wall at 5 in the morning. So here you go. This is my first meal plan for the 5 days, and it is I opted for ketogenic meal plan, which offers 1,500 calories every day. So it has, this package has breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks, and detox juice, which is really, really nice. It's a complete meal, so let's unbox it. Okay, so let's see. So this is for breakfast. I think this is it. Breakfast. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, this is lunch. Wait. This is breakfast. So my breakfast is fish with quick parsley walnut pesto over mushroom. So it sounds nice. Here you go. So that's nice. And then for lunch, I think this is lunch. Oh no, this is dinner. And for lunch, see? For lunch, it's braised chicken with carrots and lemon, plus water spinach. So this is my lunch. There you go. And then snacks. It says here, not yet. So dinner, I have this. This is dinner, and it is DG Club. I don't know what's DG Club. DG Club egg wrap. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks very nice. So yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is to just make sure that I don't stray from what I started with a juice detox cleanse last week. I know I can cook, but I'm lazy. So I just opted for this. So this is dinner. And then it also has snacks, which is mango pudding craze, which isn't mango, it's apple. I think they delivered the wrong item, so I'm just gonna contact the company why I received apples, which I know is not ketogenic, so we shall see. So there you go. And then it also has a detox drink. See how cute? And it is apple and cinnamon. Again, I know apple is not ketogenic, so I don't know why it's here. I have to contact the company because apple, I know, is not. So let me see if, while I have my meal, let me see if this is definitely everything ketogenic. So I opted for ketogenic, low carb meal plan and 1500 calories. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, which is apple, and a detox juice. So in a while, I'll eat my first meal. I'll let you know how it goes. And there you go. Wish me luck for my journey. Bye!